Manuel, turn around and look at the mirror. There you go.
You reach up high, reach for the stars. I'm going to come stand right over here. How about that? Ready? Reach up high, reach for the stars. Make your rainbows. Good, rainbows. Should we count to 3? Ready? 1. You count with me? 2. And 3. Good job. Can you hold your arms out like you're holding a beach ball? Where's your beach ball? Good job. Ready? Bend your knees. Make a diamond. Let's do some plies. You ready, Haley? Here we go. Down. Open. Open your legs. And up. Good job. Let's do it again. Ready, Emmanuel? Ready? Down. Down, down, down. Look at my legs. Open. Open. And up. Good. Ready? Let's finish out. Arms out. Hey, Carly, where you going? It's not light time yet. Ready? Point your feet. Point. Point forward. You can do this. Come on, Carly. Point forward. There we go. And together. Feet together. We having issues today, Emmanuel? No? Okay. And ready? Other side. Point. Point forward. That's my leg. Ah. That's my leg, my leg. Put your foot out. There we go. Point. And stop. Ready to make our circle? Hold hands. Emmanuel, let's make our circle. Good job. Hold hands. Everybody find one hand. Carly needs in here. Where's Carly gonna go? Find a spot for Carly. Hold Carly's hand. Thank you. Can we step back? Let's go backwards a little bit. Backwards, Haley. You have a big room. You need to get so close to mirrors. Carly, hold her hand. Hold Emmanuel's hand so we can make her circle. Ready? Hold his hand. Hey, Hannah, can you hold Emmanuel's hand? Here, let's do spots. There we go. Carly, come over here. Here we go. Ready? We broke the circle. Hold on. Wait. Go back over there. Come on. Ready? Let's go. Over here. Hold hands. Hold hands. There you go. Ready? And in. All the way in. Up. Get in there, Hannah. Wait. Get in there. Get in there. Well, you're just turning her around. Ready? And out. Woo! Okay, hold on. Let me fix your hands here. Stand up. Let me fix your hands for you. Make it easier to hold hands. Ready? There you go. Now hold. There. Ready? In. Yay! And out. And up. And all the way in. But don't balk. Ready? Out. Okay, one more time. And in. And go out. Okay, ready? Okay, let go. Let go, fingers. And let's sit on your bottoms. Do butterflies. Butterflies. Ready? What do our toes do with butterflies? What do our toes do? They kiss. That's right. Make your toes kiss. Ready? Make the toes kiss. Good job. Can you flap your wings? Where are your wings? Butterfly wings. Flap, flap, flap. Flap your wings. Good job. Hey, Emmanuel, what's your favorite ice cream? Now come straight. Can you show me? Wait, we're not laying down yet, silly goose. Now up. Up. Can you show me pretty dancers? You like black? The chocolate brown ice cream? Hey, where's your nose go? With our butterflies, where do our nose go? Where are stinky feet? Can you show me stinky feet? Come on, show me stinky feet. Ready? It's not night time. You're silly. Down, put your nose down. Good job. And ready? Up. Up. Can you show me sloppy dancers, Haley? Yeah, Emmanuel, show me sloppy dancers. We don't like sloppy dancers, do we? We want what? What kind of dancers do we want? How about nice? Okay. And Finley, how about you? Hold it, hold it. Nose down, nose down. Chocolate chip mint. Yum. Finley, what's your favorite ice cream? What? Say it again. Pink. You like the pink one? Okay, one more time. Put your nose down. Ready? Here we go.
Manuel, put your nose down.